Hi everyone, welcome to your daily dose of dividend. In this video, I'm going to first briefly go through my investing strategy. After that, we'll take a look at the monthly performance of my holdings. And last but not least, we'll check out the received dividends. So let's start with the strategy. And my investing strategy is I invest 10% of my monthly income. I aim for 50% index funds and rest dividend stocks. I try not to do too much impulse purchases, do my due diligence, and also invest in strong brands and no unprofitable companies. And then we just sit back and smile when the dividends are rolling in. Okay, let's check the tracker. And this one I have made myself, and you can get it in the description of the video if you like it. I have also done a video where I show you how you can make your own from scratch. So worst performer this month was Stanley Black & Decker. They are still having a lot of supply chain issues and lowered EPS minus 14%. Next up is SBB, which is a Swedish real estate company, and with the high inflation and interest rates, people are really worried for the real estate market here in Sweden right now. Merck has dropped some, minus 6%. Comcast did a bit of a bad quarterly report. They didn't add any new customers for their internet service. Johnson & Johnson has dropped some. I think the valuation was quite high and it needs to come down a bit. The return is still good for Johnson & Johnson, but the PE is a bit high historically. JP Morgan is up 0.9 and now we're actually in the green. Investor, which is like the Swedish Berkshire Hathaway, is up 1.7%. T. Rowe Price up 5% this month. HBQ up 5.7%. And UPS is up also 5.7%. We bought UPS really nice. We are up 13.44% already. So I think I bought it in hopefully what will be a quite the dip right here. Next up, Realty Income 5.8% up. Then we have Visa, which is up also about 11%. So bought it also quite recently in a bit of a dip. Then we have Home Depot, and Starbucks is up 8.2%. And we are finally in the green with Starbucks. It took a while, but I think they will go up eventually. It's a strong brand and they had some headwinds, but hopefully it will clear. And TSM is up 11.3%. So we're only down about a percentage on TSM. The best chip maker in the world. I'm not worried about their performance. The best performing stock this month was actually 3M. So 3M, it was really low evaluated, low PE. They had a lot of upside, about a 10% return on 3M now. So all in all, that makes up for $24,262 for the dividend portfolio, and we are up to an annual yield of $782, and the dividend is 3.2%. All right, so let's take a look at the ETFs. And the sum is about the same, and I invest in 70% global funds, 15% Swedish index funds, which is my home country, and 15% emerging markets. So I try to invest in the whole market as cheap as possible. That's pretty much it. Now let's take a look at the graphs. Here are the holdings of the portfolio. Next up is the sector allocation. And the filled in pillars are my current allocation, and the dotted one are the ones I want to have. So for example, I want to have about 15% consumer staples and 5% materials, but I'm still scouting for material and consumer staple stocks. The PEs and multiples are quite high on these companies right now. Yeah, who knows? Maybe soon I'll make a buy. And here are the received dividends from January 2021. And here, maybe the most important is the whole portfolio. I'm very happy with the portfolio, how it's been going. Yeah, we're up to almost $50,000 now. So last but not least, let's check the dividends we got for July. First, we got $7 from Pepsi, $12 from SBB, $11 from HP, Merck paid us $8, TSM paid us $7, the monthly dividend payer Realty Income $6, and $11 from Comcast. So all in all, that made up for $62 in July. Not too bad. That's it. Please leave a like if you found the video informative, and see you next time, guys. Hej då!